Hey guys, let me show you real quick how you can make extra money very easily through bounty programs that are posted online in literally multiple places. And what are bounty programs? I'm going to explain what this is, what this means, and what this means for you guys, because you guys could be making money, every day as much as you want, literally, by simply promoting and talking about different cryptocurrencies over the internet, right? So one way you can do that is to go to a site called bounty0x.io. If you go there, you're going to see this interface right here, and you're going to see a number of bounty programs that are popping up here. So what is a bounty program, guys? So a bounty program is a program in which you can actually create a piece of content on the internet and post it to like Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, a number of different social media channels, wherever on the internet, and then you'll actually get paid back in tokens, in cryptocurrency tokens, from a particular ICO that's trying to raise funds. So let me show you an example of this, right? So if we just scroll down through the list here, here's one right here, NoIZ Facebook bounty. Let's just click into this one. I have no idea what this one is, but let's check it out, right? Okay, so the Noise is the first and only decentralized ad network in the world where participants can engage directly with brands through an AI-enabled cognitive ad system within online and mobile ads, right? Wow, that sounds pretty cool. If you want to learn more about that ICO, you just click on that little link and check out what that ICO is, right? Okay, so in this ICO, it's a Facebook program, right? So they're going to give you one Noise token, which is equal to 25 cents in USD, US dollars, at the ICO price. So they're going to give you one Noise token. I'm sorry. One Noise equals 25 cents at the ICO price, and for Facebook post or a Facebook share, you're going to get 60 Noise tokens, right? So you're going to get a couple dollars, $15 for creating a Facebook post for this particular ICO for Noise, right? And then it gives you some information about what you need to add to it. But let's go and look at a couple more, right? There are all kinds of different bounty programs. I mean, there's a YouTube bounty program for Noise right here, okay? So for YouTube, if you submit a YouTube bounty program for Noise, you're going to get 42,000 Noise tokens, which are equivalent to $10,500, right? Now there are definitely some rules around this, and likely, some pretty specific things you have to do in order to earn this. But this is a very simple way that you can earn cryptocurrency for literally for free, for just basically posting to the internet on different social media channels. You can get paid in cryptocurrency. I mean, this is pretty wild stuff, right? So when people start talking about, cryptocurrency is going to financially liberate the world, it's going to make people free and financially responsible for their own kind of well-being, or family's well-being, they're talking about things like this, right? Work and jobs and processes, it's becoming kind of this democratized system where you can either opt into it or you don't need to, right? You can either decide, I am going to do this myself and work for myself and just earn money and kind of do what I want to do and what I'm interested in, and do that and make money doing that. Or you can go work at a job and sit behind a desk and do what other people tell you to do, right? And so this type of system, or this type of bounty system, it's not only going to replace all of kind of affiliate marketing on the internet, it's going to do much more than that. It's going to liberate people and allow people to invest and create content and create value and learn about things they're actually interested in, and then talk about them and earn money for doing that, right? In the form of ICOs and different things like this, right? Because ICOs are kind of just the tip of the iceberg of what's going to be developed on blockchain, right? If you're talking about blockchain and these different companies coming out now, you're going to be able to make money by simply promoting them, because they want to get their word out there, and the value that that company creates is then going to be transferred back to you in the form of the tokens that you receive, right? So if the company performs very well and you have 42,000 Noise tokens, well, it might be worth $10,000 when the ICO goes live. it might actually tank and go down to, you know, I don't know, maybe worth $1,000 when the ICO first launches, right? But in 3, 5, 10 years time, when you have all of these cryptocurrency tokens, some of them are going to succeed, and they're going to succeed wildly, and the value of those coins are going to go way up in value, right? And you're going to make a lot of money by holding different tokens, and you could essentially do that for free. There's nothing holding anybody back from doing this right now. So anyway, that's my little rant about that, because I just think this is fascinating. I mean, there's over 500 bounties on just this one website, and there's multiple sites where you can participate in bounty programs in a variety of different ways, guys. Okay, so anyway, that's all I'm going to say about that. Hopefully that was interesting, and I'm Dan from CryptoCamacho.com. Enjoy, guys.